Machiegni jopuonj mag mbalariany ma Moi mabende osebedo kang'anyo to katenda mbalarianyno rem chopo dwachgi oramoni pod gibiro dhi nyime gi ng'anyo to katenda mbalarianyno rem chopo dwachgi duto kotelegi kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruog UASU e bade ma Eldoret Laktar Busolo Wekesa giramoni ogibi chungo ng'anyo mabende gisebago kata gisebedo ka gidhi godo nyime nyaka chop tend mbalarianyno winj ywakgi kendo chopo dwachgi duto te.
Or rather in that consultation, the employer made a number of offers. These offers, we discussed with them, or what they called offers, we discussed with them, and we have also presented these offers to our members for their consideration. So we have gathered here today so that members can deliberate in our physical meeting and make a decision on the way forward. But so far, our engagement on the online, because we have engaged online since Friday with our membership, our members have pointed out that it is too little, too far, and therefore they will not accept what has been offered until the moment when the employer makes something that is concrete and something that honors the return to work formula that we signed with the employer.
Jakoma mar riwruok mar UASU e mbalariany ma Moi Richard Kero bende wacho ni thoth jopuonj mag mbalarianyno osebedo ka kale midhiero mathoth ahinya kamoting'o bedo kod hola mopogore opogore mago mabende ogiseyudo thuolo mar chule samo winjore kalure kod nok mar omenda.
Wanafunzi wetu wa Moi hata kama tulikosa shule kwa siku 97, we have recovered totally. Wote walimaliza ndio wakaenda nyumbani. We sacrificed our holiday, meaning we shall mark and do everything. Hatulali usiku such that we cover up. Hiyo ilikuwa moja of the agreements. The university was also to do the other part. It's unfortunate that for us we did our part 100%. The university has done nothing, as the chapter secretary has explained. Things have worsened because we are still in CRB. No loan has been paid. The money that we had been deducted is still there. This year it is even worse. People are going home without pension.
Kwa machielo